Hi everyone, in today's video we will fix the TradingView connection reset error, browser and network fix. So here is how you can easily fix this problem. Step 1 is you can simple fix internet connection. Make sure that you are connected with a strong Wi-Fi network. Also, if you are connected with a strong Wi-Fi network, then you can simple open the speed test website and now test your network speed. And make sure that you have a stable internet connection with a maximum number of limit of the internet connection. If your internet is slow, in that case you will get the connection error many times. So firstly you can try to change your network. Okay, you can simply reset your network or you can switch the Wi-Fi network and then again try to open the TradingView. Next step is you can simply disable the VPN proxy or any kind of private DNS. So once you connect the proxy, in that case your region will be changed. Also, the internet speed of your browser will be completely shut down. Very slow comes. So make sure that you will not connect to any kind of VPN or proxy. If you are connected, you can simply disable them urgently. Then close the browser and then reopen the browser and open the TradingView. Next step is you can simply clear the browser cache and cookies. So many times when the cache and cookies is stored previously, in that case the new data will be not load. And also the previous cache and cookies can cause the connection error. In that case, you can simply tap this button in your browser tab. Now here click on cookies and site data. Go there and now delete the any kind of cookies you will find. This one is my login credentials. This also. So I am simple deleting this one. And then it will ask to reload. Okay. Also here you can go to site settings. And now here you can simply reset the permissions if you want. The next step is you can simple check any kind of firewall or the antivirus device will be activated. So antivirus can cause many times the connection issues once they will get any kind of threat from the browser. So firstly you can temporarily close your firewall or antivirus, restart your device and try to open the TradingView and check that the firewall is a culprit or not. Okay, so these are the steps that can help you to fix this problem. Goodbye.